everybody, I'm Miss Jessica and this is Cliff. Today we are going to practice alligator breath. Sit down in any comfortable position that you choose. I'm going to sit with my legs crossed. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. Hey Cliff, you going to help us? Cliff's going to help us. So we're going to bring our arms out nice and long right in front of us. Now we're going to open them wide, take a deep breath in, and then breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose as you open your arms, and then breathe out as you chomp down. Let's do that together. Nice and long. Chomp, chomp, chomp.